welcome to this video. So today I am unboxing my Thread Wallet package. If you guys don't know what Thread Wallet is, it is an elastic wallet, and I got a wallet and a lanyard. So I can't show the other side, but let's open it. Okay, I can open it. I don't know if I can. I'm gonna get some scissors. I don't know where my scissors are. Okay. I don't want to rip anything. Okay, so I got it open. Okay, so the first thing is just like a receipt, and then this is so cool. Here's my lanyard. It's I forgot what it's called, which one it's called. It's called the Fine Line Neck Lanyard, which is about $10. I'm not sure, but it's super cute. Let me take it out of the packaging. Oh, it is so cool. And it has like leather right there, and a really cool distressed tag. I mean clip. And then look at that. That's so dope. So here's that. The next one is my wallet. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in there. Nope. Okay. So here's my wallet. I love it a lot. There it is. The logo. It's called the Pink Breeze Elastic. Let me open that up for you. And it's like elastic is 2 pockets, one right here, one right here. It comes with what's this? Oh, never mind. Okay. It looks small. It's like smaller than I would have thought. Oh yeah, and it has like a little rose gold thing right there. And it says on here, it's like a little thing. It says normal is just not a setting. Normal is just a setting on a wash. What? I don't know. It says normal is just a setting on a washing machine. I guess that's kind of cool. And it has their website and like your Instagram, but I don't really have any credit cards, so I'm gonna keep this in here just so like it like can hold cash. But that's dope. So like that's pretty cool. I'm so excited. Let's see. They look cute together. Like that part doesn't match, but like this looks way bigger than I would have thought. But like, yeah, it's super cute. I love I love it. It's super cute, and like I'm gonna use it a lot. And I'm glad it has like 2 pockets, just because like, wow. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out Thread Wallets because they're awesome. Not sponsored, definitely not sponsored. But yeah, let me know what videos I should do next. Okay? Okay, bye guys.